Today's workout is called Butts and Guts. The equipment that you need is just one dumbbell. I'm going to go ahead and show you the workout, then I'll go through the modifications. So Butts and Guts is an AMRAP for 15 minutes. All right, this month we're upping it from 10 minutes up to 15. And, modification number one is you can for sure go back down to 10 if you need to, or if you want to go up to 20, you are welcome to. The movements that we're going to be doing are 10 leg lifts, 20 courtesy lunges, and 10 kettlebell, or if you have your dumbbell, swings. Your score at the end is rounds plus reps, so make sure you grab that bead counter. And with every time you make it through this 10, 20, 10 complex, you're gonna go ahead and move a bead. When your timer goes off at 15 minutes, you're gonna count the total number of rounds you completed, and then how many extra reps did you get into that next round. So every rep counts. Now let's go ahead and go through these movements. So first, starting off with your leg lifts, you are going to lay flat on your back with your hands underneath your butt, your legs out straight, and we are going to go with 10 leg lifts. So we're going to just bring them about 6 inches, a few inches above the ground, and then we're going to lift it straight up so that way our body makes an L. And we are going to do 10 of these. Now, a little modification is you can go down not as far if you need to, or you can go ahead and put one leg on the ground, lift this one up, put it down, lift up the other. Now, I do recommend if you're going to go with this modification to do 20 of them. That way you are getting 10 on a leg, not just 10 total alternating. Okay. Once you complete your 10 leg lifts, then you're going to go into a courtesy lunge. Now with the courtesy lunge, if you'd like to use your weight, you can. Otherwise, you don't have to. So for the courtesy lunge, normally for a lunge, we are in this position right here. So for a courtesy lunge, we're actually just going to kind of twist the side and drop our knee that way. We're going to really feel it in our outer thigh on that side. Then stand up tall, going to the other side. Throw that leg back behind you, go down, touch that knee as if you were doing a courtesy, back up. Okay, if you would like to do it with the weight, you're going to hold the weight here in the palms of your hands, and you're going to do the same thing, courtesy lunge, 20 total, that way you're getting 10 on a leg. After that, you're going to go into your kettlebell or dumbbell swings. So for that, you're going to grab the weight like this. You're going to have it behind between your legs. You want to make sure that your feet are a little wider than shoulder width apart, and you want to keep the weight on your heels and your knees slightly bent. You also want to make sure that you keep a flat back, that those shoulder blades are engaged. So here's our starting position, just like this. We're going to go ahead and swing the weight through our legs. We're going to pop our hips to bring the weight up. And we're going to stop when the weight gets to eye level. So we're like this, pop those hips. And that's what really should be moving the weight, is your hips. It should not be in your arms like this. That's not what we're going for. Okay, so you could be going a little bit heavier on this if you have the right technique. Then you're going to go back to leg lift, courtesy lunges, 10 kettlebell swings, and you're going through this routine as many times as you can during the 15 minutes. And if you have any questions, be sure to reach out. Thanks, you guys. Have fun, enjoy, and be safe.